Welcome to the myFIMS printing tutorial presented by the FIMS Graduate Library. This tutorial will demonstrate the basics of printing at FIMS, including how to add money to your account, how to sync your account to the printers, and how to print from a FIMS computer. myFIMS printing is provided by PaperCut. To view your printing account, visit the FIMS Grad Library website at lib.fims.uwo.ca and select myFIMS printing from the top menu bar or Quick Links menu. Next, click on the myFIMS printing link, which will redirect you to the PaperCut login page, where you can enter your FIMS username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your activity summary page, which allows you to check your account balance. To print on FIMS printers, you first need to load money onto your myFIMS printing account. To do this, visit the library staff at the service desk of the FIMS Grad Library. We accept exact amounts in loonies, toonies, and bills, but we do not accept quarters, make change, or accept debit and credit cards. New FIMS students have $5 preloaded onto their accounts. Please note that your myFIMS printing account only works for printing, copying, and scanning in the FIMS and nursing building. You have a separate PaperCut account for printing at other libraries and locations on campus. There are 3 printers available for FIMS students, one in the FIMS Grad Library, one on the 3rd floor near the Grad Lounge, and one on the 4th floor. Prior to printing for the first time, you should link your Western One card to the printers. To do this, visit any of the printers, tap your Western One card where it says Tap Card Here, then manually enter your FIMS username and password on the touchscreen. Hit Login, tap your card again, and it will be linked, meaning that you will only have to tap your card to log in the future. To print in the FIMS and nursing building, log on to any of the FIMS computers either in the library or the lab using your FIMS username and password. Open your document and click File, Print, or type Ctrl-P. From the drop-down menu, select the printer you would like to use, either the library, 3rd floor, or 4th floor, and whether you want to print in color or black and white. For example, if you want to print a black and white document in the library, you would select the printer FNB_library_Tosh_black and white. Once you have selected the printer, you can adjust any print and finishing settings, then click Print. The cost for printing is 6 cents per page for black and white and 18 cents per page for color. Please note, printing double-sided will charge you for 2 pages. To retrieve your print job, go to the printer you selected and tap your Western One card. Your print job should automatically be released. Once printed, don't forget to log out by tapping your Western One card again or pressing the button with a key and a person on it. If the print job doesn't work, watch the printer troubleshooting video linked below, stop by the FIMS Graduate Library, or check out our website at lib.fims.uwo.ca for frequently asked questions.